Life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to the thrift store. If you didn't know, I am a thrifter. I love thrifting. I love seeing what I can find at the thrift store. And years ago, I had like a little eBay business. I would find shoes and purses and wallets and jackets and jewelry, costume jewelry, all kinds of stuff. Anything that I thought was like cute and it was in really good condition or it was new, I would buy it and then I would sell it on eBay. And I actually made a good little amount selling stuff on eBay back in the day. But now mostly I just go just to kind of see stuff that I could find. I'm always finding cool stuff in there. And people are always surprised when they find out that I'm a thrifter. And a lot of times people will ask me, where'd you get this from? And I'll be like, oh, I got that from the thrift store. And they'll be like, really? So yeah, so as a part of this new series, remember on if you watched my 1 year YouTube anniversary video, I said I wanted to start doing more things on my channel. And so I know that most of you watch me because I'm a baker and I show you guys treats and cake decorating, but I want to kind of expand to more, because I'm more than just a baker. And there's so many other things about me and so many other parts of my life that I think will be interesting for me to share. So today is going to be that you guys are going to come along with me to the thrift store. And the purpose of this is I'm just going just to browse. I'm not really looking for anything myself, but I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys cake decorating and treat decorating and baking and party planning, event planning, and holiday type things that you can find at the thrift store. You'll be very surprised at the things that you can find at the thrift store. And so of course, you know, my channel, I like to cater to new bakers and new treat makers. And so I know that getting in this business can be very expensive because you have to buy a lot of supplies, like a lot of supplies, and you spend a whole lot of money before you can even start seeing a profit, just because when you're first starting, almost on every new order, you're buying all the supplies for the order. So I wanted to show you guys that, because lately I've been seeing in the thrift store a lot of baking pans, different baking and decorating things. And so I don't need any of the things because over the years I've accumulated, you know, all of the supplies that I mostly need. But I thought it would be interesting for somebody who's just starting out to see that you can get like cupcake pans and cake pans and, you know, different cool little things from the thrift store. And a lot of these things are new or barely used, because what I find is that a lot of people pick up cake decorating and treat making like as a hobby, and like maybe even think if they might do it as a business, and then they quit. Like I know like 3 or 4 people I know personally that used to do cakes, used to do treats, and they're like, F that. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So what happens, those people go out and buy all this baking, treat making, decorating stuff, and then they probably never end up using it, or they use it once or twice, and then what do? Give it to Goodwill, give it to the thrift store. So that's how you're able to find a lot of brand new baking items at the thrift store. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to take you guys in here with me. Hopefully I can find some good stuff to show you guys. So the first thing I found was this fondue machine, which is used to keep chocolate warm. So you can use that for like dipping your strawberries or keeping your chocolate warm when you're making treats. The next thing I found was this food sealer. It was only $7.99. And if you do individually wrapped treats or cookies, this would be a great find for you to be able to individually wrap them and seal them shut. Next, I found another fondue machine, but this is the one that's more like a tower where the chocolate like flows down like a waterfall. You can use this on like a dessert table or for a party or like a date night, and you can put like strawberries and marshmallows and things like that. That'll be a cool idea. This would be a cute idea or a find for my party planners, or if you do like full dessert tables. These are some red little tins that all match. And then also I found this like silver like serving tray, which I thought was really cool. Guys, then I found all of these baskets, and they were nice baskets, not no little cheap ones that you'll get from like the dollar store. So if you make Mother's Day baskets, Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthday, Easter, if you make baskets, that's where you come, because those baskets were like $1 and $2 each. So that's definitely, you need to check out the thrift store if you make baskets. Next, I found this cake stand. Oh my God, it was so pretty. I don't know if it's real crystal or not, but it was $9.99 and it was so pretty. That would make such a pretty cake stand or on a dessert table, or like taking pictures of your cakes and your desserts and things like that. But it was really heavy as well. And then we found a bunch of pots and baking pans. So this was like a copper like bunt pan. And then I ended up finding, I was looking at this cast iron because I need a cast iron skillet, but I didn't get it. But yeah, so it was a lot of baking pans, muffin pans, and cake pans, and the release pans that you would need to make like a cheesecake, and tart pans, just all kinds of pans. And they were like $1, $2 each, guys. So definitely you can rack up. So this was another one of those release pans that you'll make like a cheesecake. And then under it, I end up finding another like dessert platter that you can put like cakes and treats on. It was huge too. So you can put like a larger cake, or maybe do those charcuterie boards or whatever. And then also I found all different sizes of the muffin pans. I found the regular size, I found the jumbo size, and then I also found the mini size. So, like I told you guys, and you see the pans are not like rusted or anything. They're not old or anything. A lot of them look like they were barely even used. So this little basketball caught my eye only because I'm in the middle of planning my son's birthday party, which is Space Jam basketball theme. So I'm like, this is $1. What can I use it for? So I end up picking it up because I'm probably going to use it to make like a centerpiece or something. Next, I found this little plastic high heel shoe. I don't know, it looks like maybe a tape dispenser or something, but it would be a cute party prop for like maybe like a woman's birthday party, or maybe you can find a way to even make it into like a cake topper because it is plastic. Of course, I would wash it, and sterilize it and things like that, but it absolutely can be used on a dessert table or as a party prop or cake topper. Next, I found this cookie cutter and impression set. So first thing I noticed is that this set was still in the box. It looks like they only used like 2 pieces. It was originally priced $29.99 at Target. It looks like it's $5.99, and they're brand new. They're still attached in the box. So that's a great find. Guys, so this was a penguin cookie jar. His head actually comes off and it's a cookie jar. I thought he was the cutest ever. I just kept staring at him because I wanted to get it. I think I want to use him as part of my hot cocoa bar setup for this year. I didn't get it, but I think I'm going to go back and get him. He was so cute. Next, I found this cookie press where you actually put your dough into there and then you can press out flowers and shapes. I thought that was cute and it was still in the box. Then we found another fondue set. This is a more of a mini one that can be used just to like dip a few strawberries or something. And then if you're into scrapbooking, they had these sheet protectors that were brand new. Looks like they were $11.99 and now they're 99 cents still in the pack. Next, I found these tea light sets. It was 20 of them and they were 99 cents. That was a good find. Then I found this microwave baking set where I guess you use these molds and you put your batter into the molds and then you put them in the microwave and make a cake. I was intrigued by it. Then I found these butter warmers, which the first thing I thought about was, oh, if you need melted butter for a recipe. But I think this is more like if you're eating like crab legs or something and you can dip them in this butter. So next, if you're into jewelry making, so what I like about this thrift store, if they have like these bags, this section that's like full of bagged items that are like similar to each other. So this is all jewelry pieces, like the clasp for earrings and necklaces and stuff like that. So that whole bag, I believe, was $2.99. So the next bag I found interesting was this. It was all color ink cartridges and toners. And they were all brand new. And that whole bag was also $2.99. I have an HP color printer, so I was trying to see if it was compatible with my printer. I don't think it was though. But that's actually a very good deal. Next one I found interesting was this one. It had a brand new pack of Post-it notes. It had Halloween and Thanksgiving cards that were unopened. It also had little mini journals. It had like 2 packs of index cards. It had stickers and like a little notebook. It looked like it belonged to like a teacher or something. Well, guys, that's it. We found some awesome things today. I'm just going to pay for the items that I did pick up. But if you like this video, let me know in the comments below so I'll do another one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Sweet life, sweet life.